Over the past few weeks, Bitcoin has been falling. The headlines are screaming about a crash. Social media is once again talking about the end of crypto. But today, let's do this without panic and without emotions. The question is actually very simple. Is this something truly extraordinary or just a normal market phase that Bitcoin has gone through many times before? In this video, we'll take a calm look at the facts and at history. No FUD, no rose-colored glasses. Let's start by fixing the facts. Fact number 1, Bitcoin has clearly pulled back from its recent highs. Fact number 2, it's not just Bitcoin. Almost the entire crypto market is moving down together. In the news and market commentary, several reasons are mentioned most often. Increased investor caution, macroeconomic pressure and interest rates, large-scale liquidations from leveraged positions, and of course, fear spreading through the market. But the key question here is not even why the price went down. The real question is, has anything fundamentally broken when it comes to Bitcoin as an asset? Let's take a look at history. No emotions, just facts. 2017 to 2018, Bitcoin drops by more than 80%. Headlines everywhere say the same thing. Crypto is dead. It was just a bubble. It will never recover. What happened next? We all know. March 2020. Global panic, COVID, stock markets crash, and Bitcoin loses almost half its value in just days. At the time, it felt completely unprecedented. Yet 1 year later, Bitcoin reached new all-time highs. 2021 to 2022. Another major drop. Once again, this time is different. And what do we see in the end? These drops are not a flaw. They are part of Bitcoin's cycle. This is where an important distinction matters. A correction means strong but temporary declines, emotions, liquidations, and media noise. A market that is digesting its previous growth. A systemic collapse is something else entirely. Fundamental problems with the network, a loss of trust in the technology itself, and a long-term disappearance of demand. What we're seeing today is the first, not the second. Every downturn feels unique, and that's normal. The money is real, the fear is real, and social media constantly amplifies emotions. But markets don't read Twitter, and they don't move based on headlines. They move in cycles, driven by liquidity and human psychology. And very often, it's exactly when people feel exhausted and afraid that the foundation for the next move is built. So what do we have? Bitcoin is down, yes. It's uncomfortable, yes, but it's not new and it's not unique. The worst decisions in markets are almost always made on emotions. That's why it's important to understand which phase of the cycle we're in and why the market is behaving this way. If you value a calm, rational view on crypto, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments. Are you more optimistic or more skeptical about Bitcoin right now?